In this video, you're going to learn how to lead the song 10,000 Reasons by Matt Redman with just you and an acoustic guitar. Coming up. Welcome to Advanced Worship Guitar Tutorials. My name's Spencer Cormany from leadingworshipwell.com, and today we're looking at the song 10,000 Reasons by Matt Redman. If you haven't checked out the cover that I put out of this song yet, you can check it out right here. That's going to show you what arrangement you're going to be learning in this video, but other than that, let's get into it. Here we are in the intro, and this is like the most advanced part of the song because there's a fingerstyle intro to it. So I'm going to break that down, and then from there, it's smooth sailing. So don't worry, after you get this down, the rest of the song is easy. The one thing to note before we jump into this is pretty much the entire song, we're going to have a pick hidden within our hand until the very last verse/chorus. We're finally going to brandish it. So you should probably have this in your hand as you practice because that kind of affects what fingers you use to finger pick here. So I'm going to put the tab up right here of the intro and play it slowly. It sounds like this. So that's what the intro sounds like. You can rewind if you need to look at that again, but let's move on to the chorus, which is how we begin the song. Here we are in the chorus, which is how the song starts. Before we do that, though, I want to just show you a technique, philosophy, whatever you want to call it, behind these chords that I'm playing, which is just this little hammer-on that I do all throughout this song, which happens on, for the F chord, the G string, just do open to the 2nd fret. So it would sound something like, for the C and the other chords that follow it, it happens on the D string, so open D string to 2nd fret of the D string. For the G, for the A minor. So I just wanted to show you that because I'm doing that all throughout the song and I don't want to explain it every time I do it. So this is what the chorus sounds like at the beginning of the song. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul, I worship your holy name. Sing like never before, oh my soul, I worship your holy name. That's the chorus. Let's move into verse 1. Here we are in verse 1, and I just want to show you this harmonic that we hit near the end of verse 1. It's just up here on the 12th fret of the A string and the E string. That serves as our A minor chord, and we also kind of tap our guitar here like, which you know that drum part in this song. So altogether, verse 1 sounds like this. The sun comes up, it's a new day dawning. It's time to sing your song again. Whatever may pass and whatever lies before me, let me be singing when the evening comes. Into the chorus. Here we are in the 2nd chorus, and it's pretty much exactly the same as the first one with the exception of a few chord shapes. So pay attention to them. Right here, it sounds like this. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul, I worship his holy name. Sing like never before, oh my soul, worship your holy name. On to the next verse. Here we are in the next part of the song, and I'm not going to play through verse 2 or the following chorus because they're the same as before. So just play what you played before, and that's what I play in these parts. Here we are in verse 3, and this is where it gets quiet, so we're going to move the chords up on the neck a little bit to thin out the sound, and then after we hit the harmonics, play a few more chords. Once we get to that part, which I do at the end of every verse, that's when we're going to get our pick out and finally use our pick. So watch for that whenever I play this section of the song. Verse 3 sounds like this. And on that day when my strength is failing, the end draws near and my time has come, still my soul will sing your praise unending. 10,000 years and then forevermore. Bless the Lord. Into the final chorus. Here we are in the final chorus, and this is the loudest part of the song. We just switched over to using our pick, so that adds some of the dynamics, but we're also going to play some huge chord shapes here, so pay attention to those. And this kind of mimics that guy who, whenever they play the song, he switches from an acoustic guitar to an electric guitar, and I've always thought that that was an awesome way to change up the dynamics in the song. So that's kind of what we're mimicking here. Pay attention to the chord shapes. It sounds like this. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul, worship your holy name, sing like never before, oh my soul, worship your holy name, I will worship your holy name, I will worship your holy name. Congratulations, you just learned how to lead the song 10,000 Reasons by yourself with just you and an acoustic guitar. Thanks so much for joining me today. My name's Spencer Cormany from leadingworshipwell.com. I post practical worship leading tips every single day. If you want to find those tips, head over to Instagram or Facebook at Leading Worship Well. That's where you'll find those. But also, you're here on YouTube, so go ahead, hit like if this video helped you, and also hit subscribe while you're down there so you don't miss out on future worship leading videos. Thanks so much for joining me. Till I see you next time, keep leading worship well.